Ushawahi kaa kwa giza na ushalipia stima, or even experience blackout for days? Thousands of Kenyans have paid billions of money to get electricity, but they're still sitting in the darkness. According to Kenya Power, over 16,000 people who applied for electricity are not yet connected, and some have been waiting for over 20 years. The company says the delays comes from not having enough meters, transformers, court cases, and even land disputes. The Auditor General also found that 7,740 projects worth over 800 million Kenya shillings have not even started, meaning people paid but they're still not connected to power. Kenya Power was recently cleared to proceed with some of the stalled tenders, meaning they can buy transformers and also meters. The question is, will this reduce the backlog and allow people to get electricity, or people will continue sitting in darkness despite paying?